Elf Hat Tutorial 8-strand Lover Cotton Yarn. 4.5mm crochet hook. Started in a ring. Hook a slip stitch, not a stitch. In the first round, crochet 6 short stitches. And hang a marker on the first stitch. Six short tighten stitches. The thread after hooking. Hook a slip stitch at the marked position. The loop formed by the drawstring. It is not a normal stitch. Pull it tight. Start crocheting the second round. The first directly stitch. Enter the needle under the drawstring stitch. Mark the first stitch. Don't do the drawstring stitches at the end of the second round. Just crochet short stitches in a spiral. That's it. When the second round is done, pull up. Turn the fabric over. One stitch corresponds to one stitch in a spiral. When the length reaches between 11 to 12 centimeters, you can start crocheting the hat body. The remaining threads, just tuck them inside. When the length reaches, start crocheting the hat body. I crocheted a total of 15 rounds short here. Stitches. Directly hook and slip stitch in the next stitch. Start with 2 standing stitches. The braided stitch doesn't count as every stitch in the next round. Do not count as stitches. Start crocheting the 16th round. Put a marker on the first long stitch. This round is crocheted with 1 stitch and 1 space. In the next stitch, crochet a long stitch increase. Long stitch increase means in the same stitch. Hook 2 long stitches. Repeat the process behind. Finish the 16th round. Connect at the marker. Start crocheting the 17th round. Start with 2 standing stitches. This round is crocheted with 2 and 1. You need to add stitches in a staggered way. Hook a long stitch for the increase. And hook it at the end of this round. Put a marker on the first long stitch. Next stitch, crochet a long stitch and add 1. Then crochet normally with 2 stitches and 1 stitch. And 2 long stitches. Then a long stitch and a stitch increase. The 17th round is finished. Connect at the end. Pull the stitches tight for each round. Start with 2 chain stitches. Start crocheting. On the 18th round, crochet 1 long stitch and 1 long stitch and 1 long stitch with a marker. Next stitch is long stitch and increase. Repeat the process for the next 17 rounds. Ends with a drawstring. Connect according to the above crochet method, combined with the diagram. Continue to crochet the remaining parts. You can try it on during the crocheting process. When it fits, you can crochet the last round of the hat edge. Now start crocheting the last round of the hat edge. Start with 3 chain stitches and wrap the hook twice in the same stitches. Then crochet 3 long stitches. The method of crocheting the frill is 3 long stitches in each stitch. You can also crochet scallop. Just crochet a round of short stitches. Finish the last stitch. Hook a seamless slip stitch. Thread the needle. Cut the thread. Start it in a ring. Add to standing stitches. Add the braided stitches to make a total of 15 long stitches. Put a marker on the first stitch. Pull the loop tight. At the marked position, crochet a slip stitch. Make 5 standing stitches. In the second to last stitch, hook a short stitch. In the next stitch, hook a medium-long stitch. In the next stitch, hook a long stitch. In the last stitch, hook a long tail stitch. Leave 2 stitches empty. In the third stitch, hook an insertion stitch. A star corner. Finish crocheting. Repeat to hook the remaining star corners. Do the same way. Align the 2 star pieces back to back along their corresponding stitches. Hook a slip stitch one by one. Finish the draw-in. Leave a longer thread end. Use a sewing needle. Sew the stars and the top of the hat together. That's it. The elf hat is done.